So why are you on this trip?
I think I came on this trip to start the year in a positive way. Sort of mix it up from past years where we've gone to New Year's festivals and pushed the boat out, so to speak. Wanted to come sort of see our country, meet some travellers, see some of the scenery, improve myself, my skills in content creation, hang out with like-minded friends like yourself, Suggie. I just needed to come and get out here, bro, come out here and do it. And I think our country is so beautiful, it blows me away every time. Like, I've seen some scenery here that I can honestly say is the best scenery I've ever seen in my life.